Can you talk a little bit about installation? Is there anything, because I know you had talked about sometimes if it's a new build restaurant, there's blueprints to deal with, and you can get in advance and do a lot of work before you really need it to be there. Or a retrofit restaurant. Is there anything that is knowledge that we can share about the installation side of it?
Well, sure. And that's another thing about using commercial products in a commercial installation. The speakers are designed specifically for commercial atmosphere. Well, most of your commercial installs are two types: drop ceiling, where you've got ceiling tiles with a ceiling grid, or open ceiling, where you have exposed grid, exposed beams.
Right.
So you have to have the proper mounting equipment to do those things. You cannot take a home audio speaker and attach it to a ceiling, to cut a hole in a ceiling tile, attach it. In 6 months, that ceiling tile is going to be sagging because it can't hold the weight. It's not made to do that, and it's not safe. Commercial speakers come with a tile, what's called a tile bridge. And it actually is usually it's metal, sometimes plastic, but usually it's metal, and it expands all the way out to the edges. So the weight of the speaker is carried by the ceiling grid,
Got
not
it.
the tile itself.
Yeah.
These speakers also have rings on the back to attach a second safety point via a cable. So you loop it over some structure above in the ceiling, you come down
Yep.
and you attach the back of the speaker.
Right.
And then, of course, you have things like pendant speakers where they are suspended. When a lot of restaurants now, they want these open ceiling plans where there is no ceiling tile. You see the
Yeah.
actual, okay, you see the exposed AC and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So pendant speakers, it's a fully enclosed speaker. It's ported, so you get good bass response, and it is suspended by a cable to the ceiling and then hung. So they don't even make anything like that in a residential. That has to be a commercial speaker. So
Yeah.
it also has the proper aesthetics. So the interior designers and the people that are designing these types of restaurants, that they know what that is, that pendant style speaker. Now, our speakers, like our pendant speakers, are going to come with everything you need to do all that. Ceiling tile comes in the box. Our pendants come with the cable and the what's called a grippler. It's a locking device that locks the cable. So you don't have to have any special tools. It's very, very easy to do.
And when you say lock the cable, you mean for safety or for like
For suspension,
distance from the bar?
correct. So you basically loop that cable over whatever the structure is you're attaching your pendant speakers to. The grippler grabs onto it and holds the wire, and that's it. Locks it in place.